For me, the most amazing thing was the international reach of the program. We never expected to have such a wide audience from all over the world, and getting letters and emails from people in New Zealand, Australia, and South America was really incredible.
The letters from people who said, I've never been to the Frick, I will never come to the Frick. I'm too old, I live too far away, I'm too sick. And the idea that they could have something, resonate with them that we were producing, even though they'd never set foot in the museum, was amazing.
Thinking back about it, it was a period when we were all at home and we couldn't see other people and we couldn't really measure the passing of time, and the fact that every Friday at 5 p.m. people would sort of reconvene and exchange comments from all over the world.
Now that the series is a book, it feels like it's sort of set in stone. It's there, it's a book. I like books, as you can see behind me, so having an extra book that comes out of this project was very meaningful. And the other great thing for me was to work with the artist, who is really the fourth person in this team in a way, Luis Serrano, who illustrated every single episode for the book, and his illustrations are absolutely beautiful.
And in addition to all of what Xavier said, I know what everybody's getting for Christmas this year.
And I think it's going to be our most successful book.
We hope
Isn't
so.
it?
Cheers to that.
That's the plan.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.